Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming of studying abroad but don't know where to start, which country, which course, what budget, how to apply, don't worry. Today I'm going to make everything simple for you, and yes, I will also tell you how Take Up Education Solutions helps you turn your study abroad dream into reality. Studying abroad is not just getting a degree. It's about better career opportunities, global exposure, top quality education, and a life-changing international experience. But the process looks complicated, right? Applications, documents, deadlines, tests, SOP, visa, it confuses most students. At Take Up Education Solutions, we follow one simple belief. You dream it, we build it. We guide Indian students step by step to study in top countries like the US, UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, UAE, France, Ireland, Malaysia and more. So what makes us different? We stand out because we do not confuse you with unnecessary information. We provide straightforward, time-efficient and cost-effective guidance. Our goal is to create the best strategy for each student based on their interest, budget, academic profile and future career. Even if some plans don't work out, we don't let your dream stop. We find alternative solutions at no extra cost so that you still achieve your goal. So, what are our services? We help in step-by-step assistance with career counseling, that is, helping you choose the right course and country, understanding your strengths, interests and goals. University selection, shortlisting the best institutions for your profile, helping you understand ranking, placements, fees and scholarships. Application support, filling forms perfectly, that is preparing SOP, LOR, resume essays, meeting deadlines without stress. Documentation guidance, complete checklist, avoiding mistakes that cause application rejection. Education loan assistance, helping you get the right loan options from banks, NBFCs. Visa processing, preparing documents, mock visa interviews, ensuring everything is accurate. Travel and pre-departure support, accommodation guidance, ticketing support, checklist for packing, arrival and safety. English language training. We give training with ielts, TOEFL and PTE coaching with tips, practice tests, strategies. Now, why students trust Take Up Education Solutions? Because we believe in genuine guidance. We don't give false promises. We focus on what is possible for your profile and we stay with you till you reach your destination safely. Our students appreciate us for transparent process, no unnecessary charges, quick response, personalized attention, 100% commitment until success. So, if you want to study abroad and need the right guidance, reach out to us at Gattu Square, Saptapur Main Road, Dharwad. Your dream deserves a clear path and we are here to build that path for you.